Okay, class 9. We'll wait for other students for sometimes. Okay, we can start now. Now today's topic is surface areas and volumes. Class 9, chapter number 13. Surface areas and volumes. This is chapter number 13. Surface areas and volumes. Now first we must know about what is surface area. Now before going to this topic, we need the concept of the figures. What type of figures are there in the mensuration? So there are two types of figures. One is plane figure, and another is solid figure. One is plane figure and another is solid figure. So we already have learned this type of figure in previous classes. So plane figure. So what are plane figures? Plane figures are circles, squares, rectangle, triangle, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. These are the plane figures. Why these are plane figure? Because these all are in two dimensions. These all are in two dimensions. Now, what are solid figure? In solid figure, we have cuboid, cube, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Okay, these are solid figures. Cube, cuboid, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, sphere, and hemisphere. These are solid figure. Why these are solid? Because all the solid figures have three dimensions. Three-dimensional figures are known as solid figure. So here two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure is plane figure, and three-dimensional figure is solid figure. Two-dimensional figure is a plane figure and three-dimensional figure is a solid figure. So three dimensions of any solid gives the particular shape of the solid, but two dimension gives only the shape of the plane. Suppose if we have rectangle. Now rectangle is it is four-sided figure, but it is plane figure. But in three dimension, suppose if you consider cuboid. Now cuboid is like this. This is the cuboid. This is the shape of the cuboid. Means any solid figure. Now requirement for solid figure, we need three dimension. For solid figure, we need three dimensions to make a shape of three dimensions. Now we'll discuss about surface area and volume. What do you mean by surface area? Surface area. Surface area means area bounded by any boundaries is surface area. Suppose it is a circle. Now area enclosed by this ring. This is surface area. This part is the surface area. Suppose now it is a rectangle. Not it is a rectangle, it is a cuboid. Now one face of the cuboid. One face of the cuboid is this. Now opposite face, back face is the opposite. Sidewise face, up and down face. So one of the face, it has a surface. Backside, same. Backside has surface. Sidewise also has surface. Up, top part is surface, has surface. Bottom part has surface. Now surface area, it has a surface. It is a surface of cuboid. Now let us consider the situation of cuboid. In a cuboid, there are six faces. Now opposite face of cuboid are equal. Opposite face of cuboid are equal. Now this top face and bottom face are equal. Sidewise face, this face and this face are equal. Front face and back face are equal. Now the shape of this face is in the shape of rectangle. The shape of this face is in the shape of rectangle. Now front face is in the shape of rectangle, means back face is also is in the shape of rectangle. Top face is in the shape of rectangle, and bottom face is also in the shape of rectangle. Sidewise face, it is in the shape of rectangle. Now opposite faces are same. So one face is rectangle. Now what is surface area? Means there are six faces in a cuboid. So what will be the surface area of cuboid? There are two types of surface area. One is lateral surface area and another is total surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Another is total surface area. In cuboid and cube, it has lateral surface area. In cuboid has lateral surface area. Cube also has a lateral surface area, but cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere, they have curved surface area. Why they have curved surface area and why cube and cuboid have lateral surface area? Because lateral means flat surface. Lateral means flat. So cuboid has flat surface. There are 6 faces. So each face is flat. Each face is flat. So now how to calculate the lateral surface area of cuboid and total surface area of cuboid? Cuboid. For lateral surface area, of any solids, any three-dimensional solid, the formula will be perimeter of base for lateral surface area or curved surface area. Perimeter of base into height gives the lateral surface area of any solids. So we consider first cuboid. So it has 3 dimensions. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. We know that the base of this cuboid is in the shape of rectangle. The base is in the shape of rectangle. And this is L and this is B. We know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B, twice length plus breadth is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we need the lateral surface area of cuboid. First, we will calculate the lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid is, the formula is perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base is, it is in the shape of rectangle. So it is 2L plus B into height of the cuboid is the lateral surface area. Now this is the formula of lateral surface area of cuboid. Now we have to calculate the total surface area of cuboid. The number 2 is total surface area of cuboid. Area of cuboid. For total surface area, now this base is L into B. The area of each part is length into breadth because each face is in the shape of rectangle. The area of each part is L into B. This part is L into B. This part is also L into B. So how many L into B is there? 2 L into B is there. So this is 2 L into B plus this is B into H. B into H is the area of this space. So how many B into H is there? B into H, it is also B into H. So B into H. So 2BH plus, now front face and back face. This is L, H. H into L is this area of this face and back face. So how many h into L is there? There are 2 h into L. So 2HL. Now we can take common 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now this is the formula of total surface area of cuboid. The number 3 is now volume. For calculating volume of cuboid is for any solid, volume of any solid except sphere, the formula will be area of base into height. Area of base into height. So volume of cuboid is the area of base is the area of rectangle. L into B is the area of base, and we have to multiply with height. L into B into H is the volume of cuboid. The next is cube. Next is cube. In cube, all the faces are equal. All the faces and all the edges are equal in cube. So one of the face is in the shape, or each face is in the shape of a square. Now edge of cube is considered as x. This is x, this is x, x. So all the edges are equal. There are 12 edges in a cube. There are 12 edges in a cube. Now first we will calculate the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cube is, the formula is same, perimeter of base into height. Now what is the perimeter of base? It is the perimeter of a square, because the face of the cube is in the shape of a square. So perimeter of base is square. So what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. 4 into x into perimeter of base into height. Now perimeter of base is 4 into side. Now height is x. So this equals to 4 into x square. Now total surface area is, total surface area of cube will be, there are 6 faces, means there are 6 squares. The area of each square is side square. So area of 6 squares will be 6 into side square. This is 6 into x square. And last one is volume. Volume of cube equals to area of base, means area of square is side square into height. Side square into height. Height is x. So this equals to x square into x is x cube. And this is the volume of cube. Now next is volume of right circular cylinder. Next is right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder means it is a solid which has uniform cross section. Cross section means this circular part is the cross section. So it has height or length, it has diameter, it has radius. Now this base and top are is in the shape of circle. Now face of top part and bottom part is like this, means circular. So it has radius r. So what will be the area of this part is pi r square. Now perimeter of this part is 2 pi r. Now this is area. Area is pi r square and perimeter is 2 pi r. Perimeter or circumference is 2 pi r. Now first we will calculate the curved surface area. Why curved surface? Because cylinder has curved surface. Cylinder has curved surface. That's why we will calculate the curved surface area. Now curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is this is equals to, for curved surface and lateral surface, curved or lateral surface area will be perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. What will be the perimeter? Now perimeter of base, it is the circumference of circle. So it is 2 pi r. Now height is h into h. So this equals to 2 pi r h. Now curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Number 2 is total surface area of cylinder. This equals to total surface area is now 2 pi rh is this. This part is 2 pi rh for only curved part. Only curved part is 2 pi rh. For total surface area, we need to add this area of this part and the area of this part. So 2 pi rh curved surface area plus area of upper and lower base. So this is pi r square. This part is pi r square. And this part is also pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. We can take 2 pi r common. H plus r is left. Now this is the total surface area of cylinder. Next, number 3 is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals to, we know that the volume of any solid is area of base into height. Volume of solid equals to area of base into height. Okay, from the figure we can see that the area of base is pi r square. So area of base is pi r square into height is h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now this is the case of cylinder. Now move to next, cone, right circular cone. Right circular cone. In right circular cone, the base part is circular. It has a radius r, height h, and slant height l. First, we will calculate the slant height. Now it is right angle. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the slant height of cone. So slant height of cone L equals to root under h square plus r square. This is the slant height of cone. Now curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone equals to, now curved surface area. Cone is made from semicircle. It is from semicircle. Suppose this is the semicircle. If you fold this semicircle from the middle, now this end and this end fold it till here. If you fold this here and this point here, you will get the cone like this way. Suppose okay, it is a semicircle. It is semicircle. Now it is fold from this side and this side. You get the resulting solid will be the cone. Now this is the cone. This is the cone. So for curved surface area of cone, we need curved surface area of cone, we need the perimeter of base. This is the base. Perimeter of base. Look here. This is the perimeter of base. Perimeter of base. Now it is the perimeter of semicircle. What is the perimeter of circle? It is 2 pi r. So half of the circle is the semicircle. So perimeter will also be half divided by 2. So this equals to pi r is the perimeter of base into L, slant height. Pi r L is the perimeter of semicircle. Pi r L is the curved surface area of cone. Now pi r is the semicircle perimeter of base. Now total surface area. Total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone is curved surface area pi r L plus area of base. Now it is circle pi r square. we can take pi r and pi r common, L plus r. Now it is the total surface area of cone. Now last one is volume. Volume of cone. Volume of cone equals to, if you cut this cylinder from here, if you cut this cylinder, so what is the volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. If you cut this cylinder into 3 equal parts, if you cut cylinder from here, you get 3 equal cones of equal volume. Means the one cylinder has 3 volumes of cone, 3 volume of cones. So one cone has 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So this is 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume of cone. Now the next part is sphere. In sphere, it has radius and diameter. This is radius. Now twice of radius is the diameter. In sphere, core surface area and total surface area are same. So only we can write surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere equals to, in circle, complete angle is 360 degree. So in terms of radian, we will write 360 degree equals to 2 pi. This is 3D solid, means 3-dimensional solid. In 3-dimensional solid, the complete angle is 720. So 720 is 2 into 360 degree is 720. So 2 into 360 is 2 pi. So 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi into square of the radius is the surface area of sphere. Now volume of sphere equals to surface area of sphere into 1/3 of the radius. Surface area of sphere into 1/3 of the radius is the volume of sphere. So this equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. Now last topic is hemisphere. Hemisphere equals to, hemisphere is the half of the sphere. Now this is the radius r. Now it has curved surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere is the half of the surface area of sphere. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 4 pi r square. So half of the 4 pi r square will be 2 pi r square. So it is 2 pi r square. And total surface area 2 pi r square means this part only. This part is the 2 pi r square. This is cork part. Now total surface area of hemisphere equals to total surface area of hemisphere is equals to curved surface area of hemisphere plus area of this flat part, circular part. So 2 pi r square is the curved surface area plus what is the area of this flat part? It is pi r square because it is in the shape of circle. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Now last is volume. Volume of hemisphere equals to volume of hemisphere is the half of the volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube, half into 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can cut 2 ones are 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So this equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. Okay, now units of measuring areas and volumes. Units of measuring areas and volumes. Units of measuring areas and volumes. Number one, for areas, unit of CSA and TSA is square units. In case of area, the unit will be square units. And in case of volume, unit of volume will be cubic unit. CU unit means it is cubic unit, cubic. It is square. Now let us consider one example of cuboid. Suppose if the dimensions of the cuboids are this is the example if the length, breadth, and height of cuboid are 8 centimeter, not 8 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 6 cent 13 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Find the CSA means cross surface area, TSA means total surface area, and volume of cuboid. We have a cuboid of dimensions 13 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So the dimensions of the cuboid are 13 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. Now this is 7 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the CSA, TSA, and CSA means total curved surface area and TSA is total surface area and volume of the cuboid. In solution, first we'll write the given information. So length L equals to 13 centimeter. Breadth B equals to 7 centimeter. Height H equals to 5 centimeter. Now first we'll calculate CSA of cuboid. Now CSA can be written as 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values. Total surface area of cuboid is 2LB plus BH plus HL. So L is 13 into 7, 7 into 5, 5 into 13. It is also in centimeter square. So this equals to 2, 13,791 plus 7, 5, 35. 5, 1365 centimeter square. Now 35, 65 is 100, 191. 65, 35 is 100 plus 91 is 191. 2 into 191 centimeter square. This equals to 212, 29, 18, 2123, 382 centimeter square, and last one is volume. Therefore, volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. L is 13 into 7 into H is 5 centimeter cube. Now volume is in cubic units. So this equals to 13,791 into 5 centimeter cube. This equals to 5155945, 455 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay, this was for today. We will start exercise of this chapter from next class. Thank you.